je peux vous le rendre, Seigneur, Seigneur, car avec les soldats, il est toreros, peuvent s'entendre, pour plaisir, ils ont les combats, le cirque est plein ce jour de fête, le cirque est plein d'automate. Le spectateur est dans la tête, le spectateur c'est un bel appraphracos, apostrophe, puis c'est ta page, pour c'est jusqu'à ce l'empereur, car c'est la fête du courage, c'est la fête des chiens de guerre.
Welcome to Bamberg, a treasure trove nestled in the heart of Upper Franconia, Germany. This UNESCO World Heritage site beckons with its medieval charm and rich history. Nestled in Upper Franconia, not too far from Nuremberg, this charming town sits upon 7 hills, earning it the nickname Franconia's Rome. Starting our exploration in Bamberg's Old Town, the Obere Brucke, or Upper Bridge, marks the genesis. Legend whispers of the bishop's refusal to grant land for a town hall, prompting the ingenious citizens to fashion an artificial island. Upon this unique foundation, they erected the iconic town hall, an architectural marvel that stands tall today. A testament to Bavaria's heritage. While the Upper Bridge offers a glimpse, the Geyerswörth Bridge unveils the most breathtaking view of the town hall. Adorning this historic Rathaus is an exquisite painting, boasting a peculiar 3D element, a figure with a leg seemingly stepping out from the wall, a delightful surprise for any visitor. Don't miss the vibrant green market, home to the renowned Gabelmoo, or Man with a Fork fountain, Bamberg's beloved Neptune fountain, a gathering spot cherished by both young and old. Meander along Bamberg's main canal, where rows of medieval fishermen houses stand proudly. These charming abodes, adorned with flower-bedecked balconies and quaint gardens, transform this area into the enchanting Little Venice. While the winter might cloak these gardens, it's in the summer that their true allure unfolds, inviting visitors to revel in their beauty. The cathedral square stands as a testament to Bamberg's rich history, crowned by 4 verdant towers that command the town's skyline. Initially constructed in the 11th century, this architectural marvel underwent several renovations and rebuilds after succumbing to fires in the 11th and 12th centuries. Today, it boasts an array of stunning sculptures, intricate carvings, and magnificent choirs. Perched high above the Old Town, the cathedral offers awe-inspiring views of Bamberg's lower regions, a vantage point revealing the town's picturesque beauty. Adjacent to this grand cathedral rests the Old Court, known as the Alte Hofhaltung, a remarkable complex that once served as the bishop's residence. A magnificent gateway leads visitors into the inner courtyard, aptly named the Beautiful Gate, echoing its splendor and historical significance. Its origins are over 1,000 years old, with many transformations since. It is nicely restored, and part of it is dedicated to a city museum. The new Residenz Palace presents a fascinating architectural wonder, and if you glance at the wall, you'll notice a captivating detail. While some windows appear real, allowing glimpses into the building's interior, others are deceptively painted, mere illusions designed to blend seamlessly with the genuine ones. It's a delightful and intriguing feature, a testament to the craft and artistry of its construction. The panoramic walking trail leading to the Michaelsberg Monastery perched atop this hill offers not just a path but an experience. As you traverse this scenic route, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the city unfolding before you. The journey to the monastery promises not only a spiritual ascent but also a visual delight, showcasing the beauty and charm of the city from a lofty vantage point. Bamberg's historic Old Town is a treasure trove of unique experiences, especially when it comes to shopping. The abundance of small, refined specialty shops, complemented by over 30 antique dealers, offers a distinctive shopping experience. Here, you'll discover a vibrant array of culinary delights and cozy settings that celebrate the town's rich host house culture. In the summer, the city's beer cellars nestled among the hills come alive. Throughout the seasons, the town's premier brewery restaurants exude a cozy charm, beckoning visitors to savor the essence of Bamberg's brewing tradition. That wraps up our journey through Bamberg today. If you enjoyed exploring this gem of a city, let me know in the comments which city you'd love to see next. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more travel escapades, and stay tuned for our upcoming explorations. Thank you for joining me on this delightful excursion.